try nga lang natin bigger movements lang para at least makabisado ng katawan natin na ito yung pathway. Okay? Para sa pangatlo, pull out tayo. Tapos sa pangapat, right mark na lang. Okay? Let's go guys, let's go! She's so pretty, he be tripping on that boy. Chop it, chop it, chop it, chop it like karate. And paid up, that's why she be so naughty. I do what I want, worry about no hater. Monday on the way, Sunday got that paper. On my own like that, get home like that. All around the world, they be showing all that I give up. I'm so froze like a popsicle, but I'm hot when I walk through the club. I'm so fresh, so clean like 3 stacks in big boy. Shawty beat me up, bigger than tip off love. I don't care about that shit, that top. So, namin nyo, parang gamay na gamay nyo. So, kailangan lang talaga na